Oh my god, Dick. Oh my god. Are you mad, bro? Are you mad? So first of all, the Amelie pops up, magnified. Then the shootout, M1 iron, twice. Then get this. Pro pipe. The AM-9 Pro pipe. Are you kidding me, bro? Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Look. And I haven't even unlocked it yet, which is the worst thing. Look, I unlocked these both at level 44. When I get that... Oh my god. Oh my god. Are you mad, bro? Are you mad, bro? No. This wasn't even an advanced supply drop. This was just a normal supply drop. Imagine me opening an advanced. Oh yeah, I already did today. You know what I got now? I got the radical loadout. Guess what? I saw this guy. I mean, it's not a legendary. But what? What? You mad, bro? 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 Just a mad, bro.